Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to give a tutorial video of an Arabic calligraphy painting in a gold leaf. So let's begin. Here I'm taking a drawing book and a dark blue acrylic paint. You can choose any dark shades for this painting and blend like this. After that, I'm taking white acrylic paint and smudging above portion completely like this. And one thing I want to tell you that always choose a canvas instead of a drawing paper for your painting, because canvas gives a smooth finish, holds paint better, and also doesn't wrinkle like a paper. You can see in this video paper becomes wavy. It's because of drawing paper. So choosing canvas is a better option. Now our base painting is almost complete. It feels like a foggy effect. And now we are going to start writing Arabic calligraphy in this area and bold letters. Here I am using brush to write the main word Arab, very thick letters. Here we need to fill this dark portion with Goldleaf glue. And here is the brand name Jags gliding glue. Take a little bit, and I'm using kalam. You can choose brush or kalam if you want it. I finished writing ayah, and now this is the Goldleaf, brand name Jack's Gilding Goldleaf, and the size is 6 inches. You can buy this from any art stores or online stores. There's different brands available. Now we have to wait until the glue becomes dry and sticky. Once it reaches its sticky stage completely, we can apply the Goldleaf. Okay. Now glue dry and sticky completely. Now take Goldleaf one shade is enough for me. You can take how much you want it. Place the Goldleaf above the glue. After placing Goldleaf, take a brush and gently tap on it like this. And this is how it looks like. Now take the same brush and rub over the Goldleaf and remove excess Goldleafs. Now you can see how beautifully it turned out. So smooth and so shiny. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. Try yourself and let me know how it turned out. Bye, and see you on my next video.